Hello everyone, it's Beck Ross here from Stampin' with Beck. I wanted to make this video for you today to show you how to use the online shop. I know some people are a little bit unsure about using the Stampin' Up! Online shop and what the difference is between you doing that or me placing your order for you. So basically, you just head on over to my online shop, which is stampinwithbeck.stampinup.net. That's my website. And if you scroll down, you'll see a welcome and you'll see specials or whatever's happening at the moment. And you'll also see my calendar, which of course for December doesn't really have much on it at all. But there obviously will be some things happening in there for January once I load up all of my next year's classes. But if you scroll back up to the top here, you can go to the Shop Now button and you can actually do all your own ordering online if you would like to. I can still do your orders for you, but the advantage to doing it here in my online shop is if you use my monthly host code, that allows me to gather all of those online orders together and gives me some host credits, which I then spend on gifts for you. And then I send out some special gifts at the end of each month for people who use the code. So that's one advantage. The other advantage when you shop online is that you can do it any time of the day or night. You don't have to worry about whether I'm available to talk to you on the phone to do your order for you, which of course I'm always happy to do. But if you'd rather do it early in the morning or late at night, then you can do it yourself online if you would like to. Your online orders here will get delivered directly to you, so you don't have to come and pick them up from me. You can also, if you do an online order here that is over $250, you will actually get host rewards for yourself. You'll get 10%, so another $25 or more in free product. So I'll show you how to do that as well. Okay, so the first thing that you will need to do is either sign in or create an account. So if you've never done it before, you'll need to go to create an account. But I have done it before, so I'm going to go to sign in. Now it's already remembered my details, so I just pop them in and then I click sign in. The other thing that it's really important to remember to check is up in the left-hand corner, check who you're shopping with. So if I'm your demonstrator, you need to make sure it says shopping with Beck Ross. Every now and again, we get a little glitch in the system. Maybe if you've been searching Pinterest or looking at another demonstrator's website or blog and you click on something, it might change who your demonstrator is up here. So if you do want to shop with me, then make sure it has my name there. So we're logged in, we're shopping with Beck. And actually you can see there are some things in my shopping cart here. So I'm actually going to empty that out before we start. Oh, goodness me. Okay. I forgot to do that ahead of time. So I'll just delete all of those so I can start fresh and show you how it all works. So once you're all set up and logged in, you can click on shop products and it will bring up a menu down here. So you can shop by category, by color. You can shop by what's new arrivals. You can shop sales and specials. My favorite part in sales and specials is clearance. Now there's not a lot left on clearance at the moment, but every few months they load more product onto clearance. So clearance are items that have been in catalogs previously. They've now been discontinued, but we had some leftover stock. And we've also got the Paper Pumpkin Box of Sunshine kit on there for just $27.75. So there's a few things left on there, and some of those items are up to 60% off. So always check clearance. So what you do is you choose the products that you're interested in. Okay, so I need some new adhesives, so I'm going to go over here to adhesives and scroll down and see what adhesives I need. Now I always need dimensionals, so I'm going to go with the black dimensionals this time. You can click quick shop and it will bring it up, and then you just click add to cart. like that, and then you at any time you can click view shopping cart, or you can come up to the little shopping basket up here and click that to see what's in your cart. So look, let's pop a couple of things in. Quick shop, add to cart. If you just click on the item, it will bring it up. And then you can click add to cart, but then you'll have to click the back button to go back. Pardon me. So I prefer, generally speaking, to use the little quick shop. Whoops. The quick shop button there, because then I don't have to use the back button and the forward button. So now that I've got a few things in my cart, I'm going to go and view my shopping cart, check that I'm happy with it all. Now here's where people sometimes get confused over here. So if you're using my monthly host code, you're going to click the plus button and you're going to type the code in here and then hit apply. If you have any trouble with that, just let me know. The one above it is called coupon code. So host code is the one for the monthly code. That's the one you use most often. Coupon code is only used occasionally if Stampin' Up, or if I send you a special coupon code. Maybe you've had something replaced and we've given you a coupon like a refund. Then you can add the coupon in there. And then you can check out. Waiting for my internet to load. Now, because I've already set up my account, it already has all my details there. The shipping is $5.95 there, and it's even saved my credit card details in there. So you don't have to save your details. You can type them in each time if you'd rather. And it also gets me to double check that I am shopping with the right person. If you're not already on my email list, you can tick this box to say, yes, I'd like to receive emails and special offers from my demonstrator. And once you're happy with that, you just click submit order, which I won't do because I don't actually want to order all those things just at the moment. So I'm going to just quickly remove those from my cart because I want to show you a really fun feature of our new website, which is our wish list. So this little love heart here beside the shopping cart is the wish list section. And when I click that heart, you can see I've got a couple of lists here. I've got my favorites and I've got Beck's Christmas list, which currently is empty. Now I can create new lists. I could have my birthday list. I could have lists for other people, anything you want. So what you then do, go back to your shop for products and whatever it is that you need. So maybe for Christmas, you would like the new Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. Okay, and some dies and folders to go with it. So what you can then do is, let me find the machine. Where is he? You can do a search up here. If you know what you're looking for, you can search up there. So I'm going to search for emboss. Is it going to come up? No. Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. There it is. Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. Now, instead of add to cart, I'm going to add it to a wish list. So I click here and I can select a list, or if I don't have any lists or the right list is not there, you can click to create a new list. But I'm just going to click Beck's Christmas list because I want one for Christmas. And then probably I want some dies to go with that. Now your machine does come with all of the main plates that you need, so you don't need to get those. So, whoops, clicked the wrong section. Okay, let's go back to die cutting and let's just pop some fun dies into my wish list section. So now I can just click the hearts right here and add it to my Christmas list, and I can get a folder, click the heart, add it to my Christmas list. So once you fill up your wish list, you can go back up here to the hearts, click on your Christmas list. Then if you decide you want to purchase all of that, if you're just shopping for yourself, you can click add it all to the shopping cart. So you might be doing this over a period of time, collecting up a list, and then when you're ready to buy, you add it to your shopping cart. Alternatively, if you're not wanting to buy it for yourself, if you want maybe your husband or your children or whoever to get you something nice for Christmas, you can click, you can edit it, you can delete it, or you can share it. This is the best thing. So click share list, and then you can copy that link, and then you can email and you can paste that link in there, or maybe you can text the link or send it through Facebook, and you can say, dear children, here is my Christmas list. So when they click that link, that is going to take them to directly to your wish list, where they can add it all to the shopping cart and they can purchase it, or they can just add, you know, a couple of the items to their shopping cart and they can do their Christmas shopping or their birthday shopping or whatever it might be for you. So that's a really fun feature, is your wish lists. So just remember, it's the love heart. This one here, the basket, is your shopping cart, and that one is the love heart, is your set of shopping lists, wish lists. So you can see I've just got 2 there, but you can have a whole heap of new lists if you want to. So I hope that helps you with how to do your shopping online. Please always just give me a call or an email if you ever get stuck with it, or if you need me to place your order for you. But give it a go. Create some wish lists, share them with your friends and family, and have fun. Thanks everyone. Bye.